that's one crazy way to start this event, but we are here with the Exotics Network checking out an absolutely insane event. This is gonna be, I think it's the San Antonio like Lone Star event. So yeah, be sure that y'all stick around, like and subscribe, comment, turn on post notifications. Be sure that y'all stick around to the end and let's get started. Yes, sir. Alright, so before all the cars leave the show, I'm going to show y'all every single one that's here right now. We have a 488 right here and then a Mercedes AMG right next to it. Right here we have the stars of the show. We have Shannon's P1 HDK, and then we have her Buggati Chiron Supersport and her other white Buggati Chiron Supersport. The fact that this lady owns these two Bugattis and the P1 HDK, she owns all this land and basically everything that you see here, I mean not all the cars, but all the land that you see here is basically hers. But yeah, let's show y'all all of the cars. Right here we got a Huracan Evo, I believe this is, and then we have a black 488. We have a black, I'm not even sure what this is. Y'all let me know down in the comment section. I want to say F355, but I'm not 100% sure on that one. And then we have a 296 that's leaving over there. Let me show it to y'all before it leaves. It has two white stripes down the middle, like some racing stripes. We have a Huracan Technica right here. We have a black to blue faded McLaren 765 LT that looks absolutely insane. Y'all let me know how y'all like this car down in the comment section. And then we have a lime green Revuelto that we've seen before at a Social Sundays. And then on the other side over here we have a Porsche Turbo. Before I get to that McLaren 720, let me show y'all some of the cars over here. We have a Maserati MC20 all the way down at the end, an Aston Martin, a 488, a beautiful orange Lamborghini Aventador S, I believe that is, and then a 600 LT. We have a Porsche GT3, an Audi R8, Ferrari F8, a blue Porsche GT3, and then a McLaren Artura. Right here is that 720 that I told you about. We have an Aston Martin right here. And right here we have a bright orange, I think this is like a lava orange GT3 RS. And then we have Peter's SVJ. They came all the way out from Austin. It's the ATX Exotics right here. And then we have a black 488 right here. We have a GT3 RS. We have a 488 running on some really crazy wheels. We have a Huracan right there that looks super duper clean. We have a GT3 RS right here looking super clean. I think that's a lizard green. And then we have a Huracan, I'm not really sure, an Evo I believe that is. And then we have a Huracan STO. We have a McLaren 720S right here that looks super duper good. And here we have a Lamborghini Huracan, we have a Ferrari F12, then we have a McLaren 765 LT, we have a beautiful blue McLaren, or not McLaren, sorry, Ferrari SF90 right here. We have a, I think this is a 720, but it's like a 75th anniversary, I believe. Or no, 25th Le Mans anniversary. And then right here we have a Ferrari F8 Pista. We have Sang's SVJ. Right here we have a Huracan GT3 RS. And then we have a white MC20. Then we have a Ferrari Roma Spider all the way at the end. Man, I'm not sure if y'all could see this, but it looks like the Exotics Network has officially turned this car show into an absolutely insane aviation show. We've been watching these helicopters. There is 3 helicopters in the air right now. They're basically keeping their distance, flying around the area, and we basically get to experience all of these supercars basically lined up all throughout this whole property. There is a gun range over there shooting. But yeah, this helicopter right here, it is flying insanely low to the ground. Oh wow. Currently there's a whole bunch of people here at at the show. There is a huge line of basically all the people trying to get all of their food. But yeah, it is really wild here with the Exotics Network. They put on an absolutely insane event for, I believe it's Independence Day. And yeah, they had a wild turnout, 3 helicopters. There was supposed to be 4, but one of them had maintenance issues, but still an absolutely insane turnout. Whole bunch of really great people. Shannon is an absolutely insane and incredible person. So if y'all can go check her out on Instagram, all her socials, she's an absolutely incredible person for putting, or basically allowing the Exotics Network for having their event here. And yeah, I'm blown away by how crazy this event really is.
Please make your way over there to the big cannon. It's over here on the right of the stage.
Son of a...
Happy Texas Independence Day.
No!
This shit's fucking loud. Ready? 3, 2, 1, here goes. Yeah! I like that noise. Oh yeah, Texas Independence Day.
Dude, that was crazy.
Prepare to fire! Hello! Soldier's peace! March! Work! Hello! Soldier's peace!
So looking back at all this footage, I realized that I forgot to do an outro, but that'll pretty much do it for this video. I want to say a big shout out to the Exotics Network, Shannon for having us out at her ranch, and PJ as well for having us out there. It was an incredible event. The Exotics Network, they just basically do it bigger and better every single time, so big shout out to those guys. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all did, be sure that y'all like, subscribe, comment, turn on post notifications, and I'll see y'all in the next one.